Hey there. Welcome to our video on smart water sensors. Today, we're going to be discussing the pros and cons of these innovative devices, and why you should consider adding one to your home. First, let's talk about the benefits of smart water sensors. These devices can help detect water leaks and monitor water usage in your home, which can help prevent costly water damage. They can also alert you to any unusual water usage, which can help you identify and fix leaks before they become major problems. Another great benefit of smart water sensors is that they can help you save money on your water bill. By monitoring your water usage and alerting you to any unusual patterns, these devices can help you identify and fix leaks, which can help lower your water bill. But, let's not forget about the cons of smart water sensors. One potential downside is that they can be expensive to purchase and install. However, this cost is often outweighed by the savings on water bills and potential damage prevention. Another potential downside is that these devices require a stable internet connection to work properly and send alerts. Despite these cons, smart water sensors are an important investment for any homeowner. Not only can they help prevent costly water damage, but they can also help you save money on your water bill. With so many benefits, smart water sensors are a must-have for any home. So, if you're looking to protect your home from water damage and save money on your water bill, consider investing in a smart water sensor today by clicking the link in the video description. We've thoroughly reviewed multiple options on Amazon, and we have found the one with possibly the best quality and features for its price. Though we deeply recommend to always do your own research before buying. Don't miss out on the opportunity to protect your home and save money.